Inspection tee. Ladies LSDH inspection tee are made of low smoke and halogen-free material. Available in black, white and gray colors for customized needs. Sizes include 20mm, 25mm. Each inspection tee is provided with 2 stainless steel screws and 1 of cover. The stainless steel material can prevent rust. The detachable cover design can observe the threading situation. The advantages of LSZH inspection tee are non-toxic, low smoke, fireproof of V0 levels, extinguished within 2 seconds, no corrosive gas, high and low temperature. They're complied with IEC 61386-1, IEC 60529, IEC 60754, UL-94, ASTM E662, ISO 9001, ISO 14001 certificated, etc. have been exported to the North and South America, Oceania, Western Europe, and other markets, ideal for hospitals, schools, hotels, airports, government projects, etc.